So now this moment I am teaching my dear student Bijoy.
Oh, yeah.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, man. How are
What's
you?
your name?
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
And you?
And you?
Thank you.
Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Rajiv.
My name is Bijoy.
Joy. Joy, what I... how about your study?
I study class 9.
Class 9.
How was your study?
Good.
Good.
Do you enjoy your study?
English.
English.
Please. Good, good, good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Another
You
student
should have...
Musharraf. Another student
Okay.
Musharraf.
Another student Musharraf. How do you, sir?
Fine. Fine, student. How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
What's your... Yeah, I'm also good and fine. How is your study?
Very good.
Very good.
Very nice. What are you studying?
English.
English. Okay. You should have learned a good English because find a good job in the future. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Goodbye.
Nice to meet you. Glad to hear that.
Goodbye.
Oh,
Goodbye.
Mr. Rajiv, so I think now this moment your country is very cold.
Yes, sir. Yeah, you are right.
You are
Your
wearing
students are very good.
blanket, that means coat, tie, shirt. What your feelings? Yes. Outside scenery, okay. Okay. Okay, thank you, Mr. Rajiv. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Thank you, Mr. Rajam. Thank you.
School star is